Delete Facebook account permanently. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you step by step on how to delete your Facebook account permanently. First of all, after you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. So after you tap on this menu, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this section which says settings and privacy. Under this settings and privacy, tap on this settings again. So under this settings, all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this see more in account center. So now, as you can see now, scroll to down and tap on this personal details. Scroll to down and tap on this account ownership and control. Tap on this deletion or deactivation, this one. So now go ahead and select your Facebook account that you want to delete. So tap on this. After you select your Facebook account, as you can see now, check on this option for delete account. So now, as you can see here, it says delete account. So tap on this continue. So now here is my Facebook page. As you can see now here, it says if you delete your Facebook account, your Facebook page will be deleted as well. So if you agree with this condition, so you can go ahead and delete your Facebook account. If you do not agree with this condition, so now you can just quit the process. So for me, I agree with this condition. I'll just tap on this continue. So scroll all the way to down and choose one option for deleting your Facebook account. So I'll just tap on this I'm no longer find useful Facebook. So just tap on this last option. So tap on this continue. So as you can see now, tap on this continue again. So scroll to down in. So after you scroll all the way to down and tap on this continue again. Now it will ask you to type in your password before you continue. So to ensure that it is you who want to deactivate your, or you who want to delete your Facebook account, not someone want to delete your Facebook account without your permission. I'll just now go ahead and type in my password. Here is it. So I'll just tap on this continue. So as you can see now if I tap on this delete account, now my Facebook account will be deleted. That's it guys, the process on how to delete Facebook account permanently. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.